I'm in Albury today for the opening of Leading Edge Data Centre at the Albury Airport, which is the 4th data centre that Leading Edge have opened in the Essential Energy footprint.
We're building a network of 26 regional data centres, all connected via dedicated fibre connectivity. The technology that this facility will house is really everything from telco, so we bring major telcos into play. Then you've got your internet service providers, your retail service providers. Then you start to look at manufacturing, advanced manufacturing. So we're really building a meshed network of world-class facilities. And the reason for that is to build the digital infrastructure that's going to future-proof regional Australia. It's having the ability to have the cloud and have technology really close to where the user is. Makes it faster, cheaper, more efficient, and it's really building a resilient platform.
We're so excited that Leading Edge have created this wonderful data centre in Albury-Wodonga. The opportunities are endless, really. We're just scratching at the surface of what might be in terms of job creation from businesses that are already based here, now enjoying that better connectivity, and I guess bridging that digital equity issue that we often talk about with Sydney and Melbourne getting all that high-speed internet and connectivity with the cloud. To have our regional businesses have that, who knows where their businesses can branch out into different technological areas that we hadn't thought of. So automatically I'm thinking agribusiness, advanced manufacturing, logistics, and geez, I think the jobs are endless, really.
These facilities are really important for the development of our communities right across the Riverina. It's really about meeting that connectivity need. It's all levels of government working with business to meet the challenges around digital connectivity, that we work together. This is what is a great aspect of this Leading Edge Essential Energy collaboration with Schneider as well as with government to see this project demonstrates how we can do it.
Essential Energy, the team there, it was easy to engage with. We went through the whole process of connecting our first facility. It became easier for the second, the third, and so on and so on. Obviously Essential and Schneider work very closely together, as do obviously Leading Edge. So again, I think there's quite a symbiotic relationship there.
Data centres from an essential energy perspective provide a great new load onto the network, but they also facilitate a multitude of other businesses, and particularly high technology and new businesses that can proliferate on our network and in turn create additional load and associated employment and economic development opportunities. Obviously, Essential Energy provides the energy for these businesses to prosper and to develop. Our role is to make that connection process and the facilitation of energy as seamless as possible. And so engaging directly with customers, such as Leading Edge Data Centres, at the beginning of their development process and working closely with them throughout ensures they have the best opportunity to prosper within our footprint, and we have the best opportunity to capture that additional load.